Hi everyone, I just got a new toy from China. Okay, so everything's from China here. So these are basically grow lights, and grow light is not an area that we've been using a lot. You know, we're trying to experiment because if you go and Google online, there's so many different kind of products and different explanation of this color, that color. So we're gonna find out ourselves, and this is one of the very first few grow lights that we received. It seems to be from a very reputable seller. So wow, it looks good actually. And okay, it comes with all these little parts here. Got this. Okay, it comes with the China plug. I need to change it to the Singapore plug. And that looks pretty straightforward. Okay, so these are LED bulbs itself, and yeah, it comes with this little 3-pin here, and this will fit easily here, just like a typical fluorescent tube, the LED fluorescent tube you buy from the hardware shop. Yeah, it's all the same, so it's quite straightforward. Yeah. Okay, and I assume if you want to connect a second one, you have to get another bulb. Oh yeah, because of this little connector here. So connect this right here, and this would go in here, and yeah. Okay, let's just see if this works, huh? Okay, so yeah, just gonna test this out. Now, let's see how it goes. Here I have a travel adapter, so this will fit in very snugly, and switch here. So let's see whether it works. Probably not want to put this on my leg in case it's any short. I doubt so though. Oh yes, it works. Okay, so yeah. As you can see, this is more towards the whitish kind of color rather than the pink and the purple color itself. So it's more of a white color spectrum, the full spectrum in a sense. Yeah, and one thing I like about this is it's very modular. So the next thing to do is to find out whether does it grow well. The reason why we got this is and a few other kind of grow lights is because there's so much information out there, and a lot of the information seem to contradict each other. Some say, oh, you know, the purplish color light, the more reddish color, that one is more for fruiting and flowering plants. Whereas others say no, it's meant to complement when there's lack of sunlight. There is a bit of sunlight, but it's lack of sunlight. They need more of it's just to complement it. So regardless of all this information, we're just going to test it out and we're going to find out what works best. Okay? So yeah, I'll give you a short update after we've tested this box.